Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks. So first is head over to qbo.intuit.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on expenses, then click on expenses. Now from here, you can see all the lists of your expenses. And now since we're looking for a check, if you have a very long list of expenses and have a hard time looking for the checks, you can use the filter just by clicking on this drop down menu, then switch to check. This will show you all your checklists. Now look for the specific check that you want to void. In my case, I only have this specific check. And to void this check, look for this arrow down button, then click on void. Finalize voiding this transaction by once again clicking on the void button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!